Are you a stylish, outgoing individual interested in a rewarding beauty or hospitality career? Do you love helping others to look and feel their best? We at New Image International Beauty Institute make things happen for you. New Image International Beauty Institute has helped thousands of individuals in Punjab, India to get the hand-on training, practical experience and industry support it takes to launch successful beauty careers. With the vision of dream big, stay focused and make it happen. Since year 2004, Ms. Pooja Singh at New Image International Beauty Institute is empowering women. Pooja Singh believes that a license doesn't earn a living, but an education does. NIIB is internationally registered in UK and US with accreditation like Pathways to Success and IAO and has outstanding reputation in purchasing best therapists preferred by the employers across the world. The institute provides state-of-the-art infrastructure and skilled and professional trainers nurturing the skills of students. World-class industries of beauty and hospitality prioritize students of NIIB for their remarks and excellent training and skill set. Various courses offered at NIIB include makeup, hairstyling, skin, Ayurvedic massages, permanent makeup. We also provide various cooking courses from various cuisines like Chinese, continental and Indian. NIIB also offers eminent trainers of IELTS to those who want to make a career out of India and helps them by providing them immigration services. Apart from this, the institute provides fully furnished and equipped modern classrooms. Students of NIIB also get study material products for demo in classrooms. We at the institute offer different courses and programs on spa treatment and beauty, and this enables students to select the beauty education based on their interest and preferences. Even since it has been established in Jalandhar, today NIIB is serving from 10 more locations in Phagwara, Ludhiana, Hoshiarpur, Chandigarh, Sirhind, Patiala, Jaito, Batala, Pathankot, Noida. The institute also provides scholarship of 25 lakhs to the capable students. We at NIIB also conducts master's classes. Apart from learning, the school is one of the best for the students who want to pursue their career in the rewarding, innovative and vibrant world of beauty therapy and makeup artistry. The main mission of the management is to promote women empowerment, which helps in boosting the status of women and their abilities to make them focused toward their bright future.